Hi guys, this is Emily and today we'll be working on Jaggia problem 48, which deals with the inference for two population proportions. So the problem talks about a hardware manufacturing company that wants to know the difference in the scrap rate under the old and new method. So under the old method, they had 62 boards scrapped out of 500, and under the new method, they had 36 boards scrapped out of 400. So we need to determine the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. So for the null, we said that P1 minus P2 is equal to 0, which basically is saying that the boards scrapped under the new method minus the boards scrapped under the old method is equal to 0. And the alternative hypothesis says that the boards scrapped under the new method minus the boards scrapped in the old method is less than 0, which is saying that there's less scraps under the new method. So we're going to do our mosaic plot, and this is going to show us just the proportion of the new and the old, with new being a little bit less. So then we're going to look at our confidence interval, and so we see that the lower bound is negative 0.07394 and the upper is 0.007019. And then this is correct because we do have it in the correct order, with new being the P1 and the old being the P2. So as we can see, 0 is contained within this confidence interval. So the decision is to retain the null, and our conclusion is that we are 95% confident that the difference between the proportion of scraps with the new method and the proportion of scraps with the old method is between negative 0.07394 to 0.007019. And as I said earlier, since the confidence interval contains 0, the proportion of scraps with the new method is not statistically different from the proportion of scraps with the old method. Thanks for listening, guys.